Pregnancy testing has come a long way from its bizarre, ancient origins to the accurate, easy-to-use kits of today. Throughout history, humans have relied on creativity, intuition, and even superstition to uncover the mystery of pregnancy. While some methods seem laughable now, others demonstrate surprising ingenuity, offering a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of science and medicine. Let's take a journey through time to explore the world's most peculiar and historic pregnancy tests. In ancient Egypt, around 1350 BCE, women used a curious agricultural method to detect pregnancy. They would urinate on wheat and barley seeds, believing that sprouting seeds indicated pregnancy. The twist: it was also thought to predict the baby's gender. Wheat sprouting meant a girl, while barley sprouting meant a boy. Surprisingly, modern scientists revisited this test in 1963 and found that it was around 70% accurate. The estrogen in pregnant women's urine could indeed stimulate seed growth, making this one of the rare ancient methods grounded in biological reality. The ancient Greeks had unusual ways of testing pregnancy. One method involved consuming a mixture of onion juice and beer before bed. If her breath smelled of onions the next morning, she wasn't pregnant. Greeks believed a pregnant woman's womb blocked strong smells from rising to her mouth. During the Middle Ages in Europe, objects like keys were believed to reveal a woman's pregnancy status. A woman would urinate into a sack containing a metal key, leaving it overnight. If the key rusted or discolored, pregnancy was confirmed. With no scientific basis, this method relied purely on superstitious beliefs. Its accuracy? Likely less than 50%, as rusting depended more on environmental conditions than on the contents of the urine. Fast forward to the 1920s and 30s, science advanced using frogs and rabbits for pregnancy detection. Women's urine was injected into the animals. If pregnant, HCG in the urine caused changes. Female frogs laid eggs, and rabbits' ovaries enlarged. These tests were 95% accurate, but invasive and ethically questionable. They marked a turning point, introducing HCG detection, still used in modern tests. In many cultures, folk remedies involve materials like sugar or pine needles to determine pregnancy. One method required women to urinate on sugar crystals, and clumping was taken as a positive result. Another involved observing the arrangement of pine needles after urination. These tests lacked scientific grounding, and their accuracy ranged from 20 to 40%, often based more on chance than biology. They highlight humanity's universal desire to understand pregnancy, even with limited knowledge and tools. Ancient Indian Ayurvedic texts describe a peculiar test that involved weighing a woman before and after consuming a specific liquid. A significant increase in weight supposedly indicated pregnancy. While this idea reflected the early attempts to link physical changes with pregnancy, it had no scientific accuracy and was likely rooted in the era's philosophical approaches to health and balance. By the mid-20th century, scientists had developed laboratory-based tests to detect HCG in urine or blood, boasting accuracies of 97% or higher. However, these required skilled professionals and were not accessible to the public. In the 1970s, over-the-counter pregnancy kits revolutionized the process, allowing women to test privately and easily at home. Today, these tests offer a 99% accuracy rate when used correctly, reflecting a culmination of centuries of curiosity and scientific advancements. Looking back, the evolution of pregnancy testing mirrors humanity's journey from superstition to science. Ancient methods like the wheat and barley test showcased surprising biological insights, while frog and rabbit tests marked a turning point toward modern diagnostics. Today's tests are the epitome of precision, making them one of the simplest yet most impactful tools in healthcare. These stories remind us of the boundless human curiosity to uncover life's mysteries, turning strange experiments into stepping stones for scientific breakthroughs.